It's frustrating to only hear static when you're trying to make contacts. Getting a digital hotspot is a popular solution to becoming independent of repeaters, but there's a lot to choose from out there, and it's easy to get lost in all the details. Today we will break down the top 5 features you can expect from the Skybridge dual band digital hotspot, so you can get back on the air wherever you are. One of the biggest issues hams face is a lack of local repeaters, and sometimes even if there are local repeaters in your area, they might not be active, leaving you in the dark. The Skybridge allows you to bypass repeaters completely. As long as you have an internet connection, even your cell phone hotspot will work. You'll be able to transmit wherever you are. The Skybridge lets you make contacts on the go and on your terms. Speaking of making contacts, the Skybridge lets your radio connect to DMR or digital mobile radio using the internet. DMR allows you to connect with anyone else also using the DMR network, anywhere in the world. So instead of being limited by the contacts that are physically close to you, you'll have access to ham radio operators from all over the world. The Skybridge is especially useful for the ham that wants to transmit on the move. You can charge and operate your Skybridge in your car, and it even comes with an external battery so that you can never find yourself without power. It's perfect for off-roading and overlanding in particular, where you might be out of a repeater range and in need of a durable battery for extended periods of time. The Skybridge board is extremely solid on frequency compared to other digital hotspots. When you buy a Skybridge, you're investing in a domestic product created with quality in mind. Your Skybridge Plus also comes with access to BridgeCom University lessons full of information about your new hotspot. You'll always have answers to your questions at your fingertips. If you find that you still have questions after watching our step-by-step tutorials, feel free to submit a ticket on our support page. Our in-house customer support and tech team is available 8 to 5, Monday through Friday to help you however we can. When you buy a Skybridge, you also get the whole BridgeCom team behind you so you can succeed as an active ham radio operator. If the Skybridge sounds right for you, click the link below.